We'll never know what a sunset looks like falling down the east side of the sky. We'll never know how long it takes to get there, or what's awaiting on the other side. There's a whole lot of questions burning in the back of my mind, and there's a whole lot of answers we ain't ever gonna find. Like, who would I be if it wasn't you and me? Tell me, where would I go? And how would I breathe? Would my heart even beat? Baby, I don't wanna know. What would I be doing if I wasn't loving you from the bottom to the top of my soul? Would I be holding it together if I ever messed it up and let you go? I guess we'll never know.
Never know, we'll never know, 'cause I'll never let you go. I'll never know what it's like to wake up in the bed with the left side empty. You'll never know how it goes growing old all alone, 'cause you'll still be with me. Gotta hold